Good day everyone, I am Abubakar Muhammad. Today I will talk about how to use a robot in our daily lives. As we mentioned previously, the importance of robotics and what the robotics are used. But actually we know robotics are to help humanity solve problems, reduce manual effort, enhance creativity, enhance productivity, and bring more income. First of all, there are many rules that we will use robotics for. But actually, farmer can use robots, carpenter, either like a driver, a shop owner, you own a shop, maybe you own a restaurant or a shop ride or any other thing. Well, actually, for like farmer, what are the rules of robotics farmer? Well, you can use robots by maybe controlling the robot using your Android phone to make the robot autonomous to spray some medicine to farm. You can use maybe drone robots. There are robots that are called drone robots. You can use also hired robot. You can use leg robotic robot to spray insecticides into your farm. Also, you can use carpenter can use robot system in order that like CNC, it's an automation. You can use some kind of robot that can do some part of hard work to you, while the other rest of the software you can do it yourself. Also, we have a tailor. A tailor can maybe we can use a robot that will be tailoring, saving your clothes and what have you. Driver, although we don't have the driverless cars are not yet fully adapted in the world, but drivers can use like automated system to drive. Also, we have shop owners. Shop owners can use an automated system using a special kind of ATM that will use a card to buy what you want to buy, and then the machine will automatically just carry the items to you from one place to another, and then maybe give it to you. Well, also we can use the robot for delivery, like maybe someone order food from a restaurant or a shop, so you put it on in the robot, and then the robot will be delivering the service to your doorstep. So there are methods that we will use robot for. Also, maybe when you have a lot of commitments and someone call you, or you have a convocation, maybe a place to go, so from that point you can use a robot to replace you. Instead of you moving there, then you can achieve multiple things at once. So maybe you have an humanoid robot that resemble your face, just like the clone. So you can send robot to go there and replace you, maybe take what you take the presentation instead of you. Also, you can use the robot in order to perform other jobs. You can use the robot to do a lot of things. You can use the robot to control your computer systems. So robots are here to help us. You can use robot in any form to help humanity. Maybe you can perform a complex task that human being cannot do. Also, there are like in medicine, in health sector, so you can use robot in health sector in order to maybe people that maybe have some kind of chronic diseases. You can use robot to you can use robot to help them, like people that have that cannot move from one place to another. Maybe some part of their arms are caught, they are disabled people. They can use some bionic arms, body parts that is maybe an automatically controlled, so they can maybe use neural systems to communicate with the mechanical system of the robot. So there are many ways to use robotic system. You can use robot also for like restaurants. When you order food, the robot will inside the restaurant will just take the food from the table into your from the table to your various places to distribute the food to you and items. There are many processes that we can use robot for, and it depends on your ambitions, like your aim. So it depends on what you want the robot to do. The robot can do anything to you. maybe you have been asked to go and buy something at the market, tomatoes, pepper, or what have you. You can send robots to do that to you. But the maybe you can think that it is not, we don't have a total security that you can just confidently send your robot to do that things to you. So it depends on your locality. Your locality maybe will just deny some right to you. Maybe you think when people see the robot, they maybe hijack the robot on the road, maybe they can destroy the robot. But that is another topic that we discuss later, which is the part of the security. And also, maybe robots, a part of the three laws of the robot we have mentioned in the previous video. We said that robots should maintain its existence and should know how to protect itself in case of any chaos or attack and some uh, situations that might arise. So you can program the robot to do that. You can control the robot using your Android phone. It can do a lot of various things. Thank you.